Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Shop Talk Sunday. Unfortunately, the footage was cut short, very short, and I didn't realize until I was done cutting my hair that there wasn't sufficient footage. I literally only recorded, I had it set up, and then I guess my phone, a button was pressed or something, or it registered a button press, and the recording stopped. So I really only got me walking into frame and walking out of frame, and all the hair cutting was not recorded or captured at all. So I figured it's probably not worth just me talking aimlessly to you guys for a video. So I'm gonna work on making sure that I can reliably get that footage. Stay tuned for the next shop talk. It's gonna be a banger. I had some stuff that I wanted to talk about today in this shop talk, but I think carrying it over and just giving you guys extra next Sunday is probably the best move. So that's what we're going to do. As always, appreciate you guys tuning in, appreciate the engagement. Stay safe, stay sexy, stay juicy. I'll see you tomorrow.